Hello, this is IK Tutors, and we're here with another I'm sorry, not HESI, high school assessment question. This is question number 3. We're doing question number 3 from decimals, how to read and round. Okay, so the question states, write each of the following decimals in words. So they want to know the name, so to speak, of each of the decimals. And they have a listing of decimals. So let's see how this is done. Right. We're going to use the place value system because the words are based on the place values. Okay. As we discussed in the previous section, right, if we write out, let's say we're doing A, this is a 0.09, we write that in the place value table, we see that each digit, the 0 is in the 1/10th place, and the 9 is in the 100th place. Each digit has a place value, right? So if we want to write out write each of the following decimals in words, we just name the place value. So here we have 9, and what place does the 9 have? Where is it at? It's in the 100th place, right? So we're going to name that 900ths. We're going to write out exactly how it sounds. The 9 is in the 100th place, so we're going to say 900ths because it's in the 100th place. Okay. And then we go ahead and we do the same for the other ones. Sorry about that. Let's swap this around. A little spelling error. 900ths. That's better. Okay. So now we look at the next one. That's A. B is 0.35. So we write 0.35 right here in the place value table. And we always go by the last digit. That's the name that we assign. Whatever place value that last digit is, that's the name we assign. So this is going to be 35, and the 5 is in the hundreds place. So it's going to be 35 hundredths. Why? Because the last digit in the 35 and the 0.35, the last digit is 5, and that 5 is in the hundreds place. So it'll be 35 hundredths. So that's going to be 35 hundredths. Because we always go according to the place value of the last digit. That's where the name comes from. Now we look at the next one, C, right, which is 0.7. We write that in the place value table. We see the 7 is in the tenths column. So that's going to be 7, and then the place value for this tenth, so we're going to call it 7/10. 7/10. All right, and we go to the next one, D, that's 0.003. We put that right here in the place value table, and we see that the last digit is in the thousandths place value. So it's going to be 3, and then whatever place value is a thousand. So then we're going to say 3 thousandths. Okay, the next one is 0.1. That's E is 0.145. We put that in the place value. We see the last digit of 0.15 is in the thousandths column, right? So it's going to be 145, and then the column that the last digit is in thousands. That's where you get the name from. So 145 thousandths. A little short of space here, so we'll put it here. And finally, we have F, and we write that in the place value table, and we see that the 9 is the last digit for that. We have 0.0059. 9 is the last digit. So we always go according to the place value of the last digit. And this digit is in a 10,000ths column. So that's going to be the place value. So it's going to be 59 10,000ths. Okay. And that's how it works. Okay. So just to recap, we write the number down in the place value table, and wherever the last digit lands, that's going to be the what we call it, the last part of what we call it. All right. All right. So I hope this helps. If it does, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Have an amazing day.